Alright, in this video, we are going to take a sneak peek at the Galaxy AI features on Samsung Galaxy phones and the Apple Intelligence features on the iPhones. We will just compare what the phones can do, not how well they do it. I will test that in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Now we will see what is the same and what is different, so you know what each phone offers. Let's dive right into the video. On the Galaxy phones, we have got something called Drawing Assist, which utilizes generative AI to convert simple sketches into more refined and stylized images. We can choose from various artistic styles such as watercolor, illustrations, 3D, cartoon, etc. and create our own image. We can not only draw the image, we can also attach an image, or we can input the text and describe the image to generate it. Whereas on the iPhones, we have got a separate application called Image Playground. And here, you'll be able to describe an image or add a suggestion from the list which is below. And not just that, we can also select our own face and create an image. We can also do something like that with the Galaxy AI. We can select our own image and convert that into a comic, sketch, 3D or watercolor image of my own portrait. On the iPhones, you will see multiple images being created and you will be able to create more by swiping towards the right, whereas there is some limitation on the Galaxy AI sketch to image feature. However, on the Samsung phones, if you have an S Pen, the drawing experience is further enhanced, providing more precise and natural sketching. Essentially, this feature is designed to help users bring their creative ideas to life, whether they are professional artists or casual doodlers. You'll be able to do that on both these phones. Samsung has also integrated the sketch to image feature on Samsung Notes. It allows the users to draw a rough sketch within Samsung Notes and then uses AI to generate a more refined image based on that sketch. And again, here we can select from various artistic styles such as watercolor, illustration or 3D cartoon to influence the generated image's appearance. We have got this option right there on the Samsung Notes application. By tapping on the AI icon, we will be able to access it. Whereas on the iPhone's Notes application, we have got this feature called Image Wand. And what this does is, if you have a description of a topic on your note, you can just circle on the empty area and the AI will generate an image based on the text which is available on the note. And you can also draw a rough sketch on the note and then draw a circle around it to generate an image. So basically, it is designed to help users quickly visualize ideas and enhance their notes with relevant imagery. So we can create images within the Notes application and enhance the notes. Then on the keyboard, we have got the writing tools on the iPhones, which allows us to describe the changes on the text. We've got options like proofread, rewrite, summarize, key points, create bullet points like lists, and then we can also create tables. And all these options are also available on the Galaxy phones. The Galaxy AI can check the spelling and grammar, can change the writing styles, summarize the text, create bullet points, create tables, and you also have an option to compose the text. So on both the phones, these features are equally capable. And right there on the keyboard, you can create your own emoji on both the phones. On the iPhones, it's called Genmoji. We can describe an emoji to create it, or you can just type me and then choose a person to create an emoji of that specific person or yourself. The AI will fetch the faces from the gallery and we can select the face that we want and create an emoji of that. Whereas on the Galaxy phones, we've got similar feature and we will be able to describe an image and create it in different themes like doodle, illustration, 3D emoji or retro logo. Next, on the iPhones, we have got a feature called Cleanup within the Gallery application. It's designed to remove the unwanted objects from photos. It uses AI to identify and remove distractions from the photos. We can simply circle or brush over the object and instantly the Apple Intelligence will remove that object. And it aims to fill the removed area naturally, blending it with the surrounding background. And similar feature is also available on the Galaxy phones and it's called Generative Edit. Select the image, tap on Galaxy AI. Again, similar to iOS, just brush or draw over a specific image or unwanted object that you want to remove and tap on Erase. And at the same time, you will also be able to clip that specific image and move it around on the Galaxy phone, which is also a brilliant feature. Next, on the iPhones, on Safari, if you have opened any web pages, you will be able to summarize it using Apple Intelligence feature. You can enable summarize option right there on the top of the page. When you tap on it, the AI will summarize the entire page and show it to you right there on top in a short paragraph. And we also have similar feature on the Galaxy phones where we can just tap on this AI icon at the bottom and tap on summarize to summarize the page. And we also have translate and listen to the page on both Samsung Internet and Safari. Next, on the iPhones, when you press and hold on this brand new camera button, the visual intelligence option will show up. This is tied to Apple Intelligence, emphasizing the contextual awareness. This means the camera can recognize objects, text and scenes and then provide relevant information or actions. It can identify objects, plants, animals, and it can extract and interact with text, provide information about business and landmarks, etc. can be done on the visual intelligence on the iPhones, and something similar to that is also available on the Galaxy phones, and we can execute it using Samsung's own Bixby Vision camera, or we can use the Google Lens on Samsung Galaxy phones. And the functions are similar, and Google will do a better job because it is a search engine. These are some of the AI features which are similar on the Galaxy phones and the iPhone. Now let's talk about a few unique features. We've got something called Live Translate on the Samsung Galaxy phones, which provides instant translations during phone call, allowing users who speak different languages to communicate smoothly. It primarily processes the translations on the device itself, enhancing the privacy, which means the translation can work even when there is no internet connection. But you will have to download the language packs on the device. Next, using Samsung Galaxy phones, we will be able to generate our own wallpapers for both home screen and lock screen. The generative wallpapers on Galaxy phones powered by Galaxy AI offers us a way to create personalized and unique wallpapers. This feature uses generative AI to create wallpapers based on user-provided prompts, allowing for high degree of customization as we can describe the desired wallpaper style, colors, and content. Then we have got a brilliant feature called Circle to Search on Galaxy phones. You can just press and hold on the home button and circle or scribble on the screen to select a specific image, text, or anything that you want to select and get more information about it on the web. This will be very useful whenever you see a product and you want to buy that specific product and you want to search it online. Just circle to search it, you are good to go. And you can also select text, you can select the contact numbers to make a call. There are multiple ways you can use Circle to Search. This feature may not be an integral part of the Samsung Galaxy AI, but yes, we do have this feature which complements Samsung Galaxy AI. Then on Portrait Studio on the Galaxy phones, we have got some cool additional features. We can use Generative Edit to tilt the image or rotate the image and fill the frames. And we can also sketch to image on an already existing photo. For example, if you have taken a landscape photo and you want to draw some birds or an aeroplane on it, you will be able to create it using Galaxy AI. Then Samsung offers a feature called AI Select. When you activate it, you'll be able to tap or draw around something on the screen to select it, and you will get the contextual menu. You get options like select the text, you can use Drawing Assist, Generative Edit, or you can download that specific portion of the screen, copy it, pin it, or share it. All this is possible on the AI Select feature on the Galaxy phones, which is just brilliant. And on the Galaxy phones, when you're playing a video, you can just press and hold on that specific video to create a slow motion clip. And this works like a charm. Samsung says it uses AI to fill in the frames and give us a smooth looking footage. And we'll also be able to save that slow motion footage within the gallery application, which is brilliant. Then we've got something called Photo Ambient Wallpaper. Samsung uses AI to create photo ambient wallpapers on the lock screen. We can set a wallpaper, and depending on the weather conditions, you will see the effects on the lock screen. If it is snowing, you will see that snow effect on the lock screen on the wallpaper. If it is raining, you will see the rain. If it is foggy, you will see that fog on your screen. It's a very cool feature available on the Galaxy phones. And Samsung has introduced a feature called Audio Eraser, powered by AI-driven tools designed to enhance the audio quality of videos. It utilizes AI to analyze the audio within a video, identifying and categorizing different sound types. And this allows users to selectively reduce or eliminate unwanted background noise. And if you don't want to completely remove it, you can also adjust it depending on your requirement. And Samsung has introduced a feature called Now Brief, which summarizes your daily activities, your health-related information, weather information, upcoming schedules. Everything will be available right there on the Now Brief page, and you can access it on the Now bar on the lock screen or from a widget on the home screen. And coming to Now bar, it is something similar to the live activities on the iPhones, but Samsung has enhanced it, and we now get to see the sports score on the Now bar, navigation details, and in the future, Samsung is going to enhance this Now bar with loads of more information where the AI will come into effect, giving us access to important information right there from the lock screen. Those are some unique features available on the Galaxy phones. Likewise, the Apple Intelligence also offer a couple of features like summarize notifications. If you have enabled that feature, you will get a short summary of the notifications on the lock screen, and there is something called priority notifications. The the AI will recognize the urgent messages and it will show it to you on the phone, which is pretty cool. And on the iPhone's focus feature, we now have something called reduce interruptions. When enabled, this will limit interruption to only important notifications. And Apple has also enhanced the search feature within the Photos application. You can search a specific video by describing a moment from that particular video. So overall, both phones offer similar AI features as well as some unique features, and it looks like Samsung currently has too many of them to offer, and iPhone will be catching up with it very soon. This is Apple Intelligence and Galaxy AI for you guys. Let me know, what do you think? What are your thoughts about this? And which feature do you use the most? Drop a comment. And who do you think offer better features? Drop a comment and let me know. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.